I'm going to show you how I made this camera arm for recording while hunting. I started out with a 36-inch piece of square tubing that I measured at 10 inches 3 times, and then I was left with 6 extra inches. I marked a 1/4 inch at each 10 inches to drill a hole. I started out with this small drill bit. On the very end, I measured 1.5 inches in for my tripod hole, which will be a 1/4 20. Right here, I realized I forgot to mark a hole. After drilling with that small bit, I'm coming back with the bigger bit that fits my bolts I bolt. And here's the bigger hole for the 1/4 20 bolt. After drilling the holes, it was rough on the bottom, so I went back with my Milwaukee die grinder. You could do this with a normal grinder or anything. After hitting it with the die grinder, I realized I grinded off my Sharpie marks. I used my bandsaw to cut this. You could use a grinder or a hacksaw. I grinded all the sharp edges off with the grinder. This is the bolts I used. Pause if you want to read it. Here it is after I put the bolts in with the nylon washers. The bolts were a little long, so I cut them off with a pair of linesman pliers and pinched the ends with the pliers to keep the wing nuts from coming off. This is how I decided to make my base. I didn't record because I forgot to. I measured it 3 inches and then 1.5 inches, just using that leftover 6 inches. Put it on the end, and then I'm gonna use the 1.5 inch pieces to attach that to the other piece to keep it from sagging. I got another one to go on the bottom. Went ahead and bolted the one side and then drilled another hole for the other one. I used this Rust-Oleum for bed liner. It's just what I had laying around. You can use any paint if you want to paint it. I just wanted to keep mine from rusting and keep it non-reflective. Make sure you clean it real good. I cleaned this one with brake clean and a rag. Here it is, partly dried. I couldn't get my camera to focus. I got this camera tape on Amazon for wrapping parts of my deer stands and stuff in the woods to try to keep it more natural. This is my final product. Works for what I need.
Kaboom!
Yes, Rico. Kaboom.